All right, so here it is, Husqvarna 365 SP. She's an older one, pretty well wore out. Hard to tell, but new cylinder, new muffler I wrote about on the arborist site. So I did new cylinder, new piston rings that had low compression from years and years and years of abuse. It's got a new carburetor in it. New coil, new plug, new wire, all that's new. It's a new air filter. It doesn't have any runtime on it. I'm sorry, this isn't the new carburetor. This is the rebuilt Walbro, but it's all brand new rebuild on it. So it does have good spark, good compression. I think it was 160 pounds when I checked. Spark's nice and blue and fat. And I'm going to hand this over to my lovely assistant. So, ready to start. Pull the choke. I don't use the decompression to start it. I never needed to. That's all I get.
Turned off?
Yeah, go ahead.